The next idea I had was, well, I love open source software. We use a lot of open source software. Wouldn't it be so cool if we could put this out there for the developer community and see what they would do with it? Now, keep in mind, AGI, commercial software companies selling licenses, and wanted to know, okay, well, Patrick, what's the business case if we're going to do this open source software? So, I just took out some books. I'm like, let me try to learn about that. So I think it will open up new markets, I told them. They very reasonably asked me, and they said, well, what new markets? And I shrugged my shoulders, right? It's amazing if we could go back in time and talk to the me of 2011. But over time, they said, okay, let's try it. Let's make it open source, and let's see what happens. And it became very interesting. So keep in mind, we've made this for aerospace. But in order to do aerospace, you actually have to be very good at visualizing the ground, because we care a lot about the communications from a sensor or a ground station out to a satellite that might be coming overhead, and things like terrain or 3D buildings may block that. So we made a very capable global terrain engine that could stream in that content as well as overlay satellite imagery. Now, with the power of open source, we then learned, well, we're not just in aerospace. It turns out that we're also in geospatial. And one of the things that really opened up our mind was Red Bull. They picked up Cesium to do a digital twin of the X-Alps. So this is a paragliding and hiking race through the Alps. Each of the athletes has a sensor on them that's sharing their location. And in real time during the race, you can go to the website and see this digital twin and see where all the athletes are. It really opened up our eyes. And as we'll start to talk more about ecosystem and interoperability, you'll see the base maps overlaid there were provided by Esri.